Welcome to another episode of Down the Rabbit Hole with Eddie. Okay, what if I told you that everything you've ever done and everything you ever will do is happening right now? That time, the one thing we swear we can never escape, might not be real at all. In this video, we're going to explore one of the deepest, most mind-bending questions of existence. Is time an illusion? And if so, what does that mean for you? Let's start with something simple. We wake up, brush our teeth, go to work, we grow older and eventually die. From birth to death, time feels like a river dragging us forward. We remember the past and anticipate the future. It's here that we exist, it seems, in this moment referred to as the eternal now. Calendars, clocks, deadlines, our entire world is structured around time. While we experience time as something flowing, science suggests it might be static. Our brains construct the sensation of time, but just because we feel it doesn't mean it's real. Albert Einstein, he shattered our understanding of time in his theory of relativity. Time is not absolute. He showed us it can bend, stretch, and even freeze. To better understand this time warp aspect, let's use the analogy of two identical twins. One stays on Earth, while the other twin boards a spaceship traveling near the speed of light. When the traveling twins returned, he's aged less, therefore he'll be younger than the one that had stayed behind. Same birthday, different biological ages. The faster you approach the speed of light, time will slow down for you. It's a real phenomenon called time dilation, and we account for it every day. Even the GPS that's in your phone corrects for time moving differently up in orbit than it does here on Earth. Time is not universal, it's local, relative, and deeply entangled with space. So if time can stretch and warp, maybe it doesn't flow at all. That's where the block universe theory comes in. This idea suggests that all of time, past, present, and future, exists simultaneously. Like a loaf of bread, every moment in time is just a different slice. You're not traveling through time, you're just experiencing one particular slice of the loaf. The past isn't gone, the future isn't waiting. Everything is already there. You're not a person moving through time, you are a being experiencing slices of an already complete structure. Western science is catching up with what many ancient philosophies have known for centuries. In Buddhism and Hinduism, time is cyclical, not linear. The universe is born, dies, and is reborn again, over and over. And in the center of all of this is the present moment. The future is a concept, it doesn't exist, said Alan Watts. There is no such thing as tomorrow. Never has been, never will be. The past is in your memory. The future is imagination, and all you ever truly have is right now. In deep meditation, time can feel like it vanishes. Some near-death experiences report entire lifetimes flashing by in a second, or no sense of time at all, just a vast eternal presence. If the world of the big or the macro world reveals time as being relative, the world of the small or the micro or quantum world reveals something even stranger. In quantum mechanics, particles can affect each other across vast distances instantly. This is called entanglement. It doesn't respect time or space. There's even a concept called retrocausality, the idea that the future events could influence the past. At the quantum level, particles do not follow a clear before and after timeline. Their behavior is probabilistic, and until observed, they exist in superpositions, multiple states at once. For example, in the binary world, it's either a 1 or a 0, but a superposition holds that it is both a 1 or a 0 until called upon. So if time isn't real in the way we think, why do we experience it as real? Part of the answer is biology. Our bodies operate on cycles, circadian rhythms, heartbeats, aging cells. Our memories are stored sequentially. Our consciousness strings moments together like a film reel, giving the illusion of a moving narrative. But think about a movie. Every frame already exists on the reel. You just see them in order. Maybe consciousness is the projector, and time is the illusion it creates to make sense of existence. So what does all this mean for you? It means your past isn't behind you. It's still there, somewhere, forever. It means your future already exists. It's not waiting to be created, it's waiting to be remembered. And it means that the only thing you ever truly touch is the now. So why live in regret? Why drown in anxiety? If all of time is a single eternal moment, then you too are eternal. You are not your past. You are not your future. You are the awareness behind it all. What if your life is not a journey but a place? What if the story of your soul is already written and you've just flipped through the pages? And what if death is not the end of the story but merely the turning of the next page? Time may be the greatest illusion ever woven into the fabric of reality. And maybe, just maybe, waking up from that illusion is what it means to become truly free. Let me ask you something. Do you think time is real, or have we simply been conditioned to believe in its passing? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if this video sparks something inside of you, you already know, you were meant to see it. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.